Ever wondered why some shoes tend to slip on certain surfaces more than others? Or why some are simply more prone to becoming skating rinks when it comes to oily or wet floors? Well, the answer lies in the type and quality of the soles. But don't fret, there's a solution to this slippery situation, and it involves a few simple steps that can be done right at home. Step 1. Scuffing. Grab a piece of sandpaper, preferably medium grit, and start scuffing the soles of the shoes. Why? Because smooth surfaces have less friction and are more likely to slip. By creating tiny grooves and rough patches, the shoes have a better grip on the ground. Step 2. The hairspray technique. Yes, you heard that right. Hairspray, the same product used to maintain those fabulous hairstyles, can also provide a temporary solution to slippery shoes. Simply spray a generous amount on the soles and allow it to dry. Remember, this is a temporary solution and needs to be reapplied regularly. Step 3. The puff paint method. Puff paint, often used for fabric decoration, can be applied to the soles to create a non-slip surface. Apply a design or make random lines, let it dry, and enjoy a slip-free experience. Step 4. The adhesive band. This involves attaching adhesive bands or strips to the soles. These bands are usually made of rubber or a similar material and provide excellent traction. Step 5. The professional approach. If all else fails, or if you're dealing with a particularly pricey pair of shoes, consider taking them to a professional cobbler. They can add a non-slip sole to the shoes, ensuring not just safety but also longevity. In summary, making shoes non-slip involves 5 key steps. First, scuffing the soles with sandpaper to increase friction. Second, applying hairspray to the soles, a quick and easy temporary solution. Third, using puff paint to create a non-slip surface. Fourth, attaching adhesive bands for added traction. And finally, considering professional intervention for a durable solution. So, no more fretting over slippery shoes. With these easy steps, you can stride confidently, knowing your shoes have got your back, or rather your feet. Remember, safety and style can go hand in hand.